Okay, start.
Okay. So you start with the ground light.
Okay.
Then
This is for the pattern.
yeah.
Look at
Always.
90s. Look at 90s, man. 90.
Then you need the angle,
Yeah.
90 degrees.
90 degrees.
You can use the meter
Yeah.
from us in the tool bag.
Okay.
Expand.
Yeah, you have 90. You got 90.
Take the compass. And in the compass, you put in the measurement from the radius. In this
100.
case, 200. Oh. That's 200.
Not from the end, huh? You
Sama
just
aja
from
dia
No,
the
I
end.
go
Ah, okay.
21.
one and one.
Ah, 21. Yeah. Right.
I go to the 0 point. Okay. Then I split the radius in 3 same segments. In this case, we want 2 segments in the middle and a half in the beginning.
So it's 3.
That's a 3, yeah. Okay.
Right.
After the splitting, I go to the this connection, and there, and I have a connection point. So that's my reference for the right angle, and I make a line. Then I take the diameter of the pipe, in this case 200, plus the insulation thickness. So it's 13 millimeter. So I give it in 113. So I have the crossing point from the ground line and the radius. There I go in. And make a half price. Okay? So after this I need an angle, 90 degrees. Make a straight line over my half diameter. Okay, don't change it, and then I split it in 6 same parts. After this, I use the 90 degrees angle. And then I go to the reference point. That's the first. In the end, it's 4, it's 5, 6, 7. Now we have a little bit. Let's try. Okay, that's it. Then I take a stride. Okay.
Tapi tiap kamu beda. Beda. Tiap kamu. Ini kan dua tadi.
Intinya enggak yang potongannya banyak yang dua pieces yang jadi kalau itu kan ada yang patung beda lagi nih
I use the biggest distance. It's in this case 90 millimeters.
1990.
No. I take in the beginning. I take small. Don't use this pen. This color, this edge, it's mostly not 90 degrees.
Bagus kalau di presentasi.
Okay. Then you split it in the half. I do it always in the half. You can also use this. But this way it's a little bit quicker. And this also in the half. Because 340 it's not that's it. Now I use this distance and I bring it to here. You see? It's the same. Check it always one time. Maybe you have a little bit to expand or you have to a little bit less. If it is, you can use it. That's mostly dangerous what I do now. That's mostly that you make a small mistake about angle. In the beginning, an advice, you start always with line number 4. 4 is here, then comes back in the middle, it's here, and in the end, that's always number 4. And it's even. If I go to 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7. Okay? Then you take the measurement. From your first drawing, so it's 9. And then you go to here, to 0.7, or in this case 0.1. Nine is 18. You can also use the compass. And then you go to there. With the compass, it's a little bit quicker. Take the next. Now, number 4. Number 4 is the own point, what you have 3 times. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7, the last one. Then I use the meter. Check that I see every reference. Then I follow with the pen only from reference to reference. this part you can only always do in one line. You have not to stop. So, the same on the other side. Oh, I need new eyes. And then on you. After this, you take a sharp knife and then how I tell you this? No, I'll show you. You see, I move a little bit the knife. I'll show you and I'll tell you why I do this. And now to the other side. And go back. If I now use it and make it flat,
That's for the base.
if I bring it now together, you see, this is one line. If I use the knife straight, then there I have in the end a gap in the outside and a gap in the inside of the elbow. In this case, there's no gap. Okay? But you need experience in this. And also for me, it's not always 100% in this part. But you know we have to cut 100%. Okay? Sometimes you have to make new. If you feel it, if you see it, oh, that's not good. If you have a bad feeling for the segment, cut a new one. Now, if we had it on paper, we can use it. From sheet, it's not possible. And if you see it, it's still the same.
Mm-hmm.
In the end, if you cut this, same. If you watch from this side, you see that's one line. If we do it here,
Mm.
well, oh,
No, no.
now we clean the work spot.
It's coming. No, no.
Berarti isang buwannya di bawah.
This elbow is not for everyone.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ini. Di bawah berapa?
You have
Ketahuan si Yuda.
you will have for the size of the how you can calculate this one.
Experience, a lot of experience of what you can do. But it works only, that's a different way. If you calculate it for the LS, then you use the diameter plus one insulation thickness, you multiply it with P plus one insulation thickness. Then you have the right component. If you use the aluminum foil, then you use the diameter plus 2 times the insulation thickness
Thickness.
multiplied with P. That's the difference. The reason is the metal sheet is don't stretch
Multiplied by B.
by P. 3.04.
Ah, okay.
200 plus 30
3, 14,
plus
16.
3 point
14, 16.
14?
14. This is the
P.
P, right?
Yeah,
Pi,
that's
right?
the P line.
That's a pi, right?
Yeah.
Times
Plus.
Plus.
No, plus. Sorry.
13.
This LS.
The 13.
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah.
13. No multiplication.
No, no more multiplication. That's it. That's LS. That's without font.
Without.
If it's too long, if you do this in this way, you have to test. If it's too long, we have a tolerance in our product. That is plus, it's minus 1 millimeter plus 2 millimeter. In the end, there you have 3 millimeter different, and over the whole length, maybe it makes a centimeter or more. So you have to check before. The best way, you use a stripe, you check with a stripe, then you have to write conformance. And you can apply, but in this case, it's not a problem. In this case, yes. Later, if you have different, in this, you see in this case, it's really good. It's it's no different. So then you can use it. So what's the time?
The time I will stop now.